Suffering and pain. This is a big problem for most of us. The so called most of us. Whatever I say, you will have to see from an underlying fact. I don't know whether fact is also a word. I don't know how to explain that. Whatever I say, you should take it as a story. It's not real. Okay? So, suffering and pain is also a story. I will talk about how that suffering and pain is taking place. Pain is relatively simple. Pain is, a bodily sensation. In one of my previous videos, I talked about, somebody, putting a knife in your stomach and all that, and how it happens. And I also talked about, stomach pain. And you can also have the latest, pain, COVID. And when I discussed or described about, that stomach pain and the knife pierced, all those things I explained to you. It's again, a sensation, so-called sensation. Everything I will have to add so-called, apparently or seemingly. I don't know. That is why already I told you in the first sentence, it's all a story. Don't think that it is actually happening. Actually, nothing is happening because there is no time, there is no space. That also I have told in one of my previous videos. If you go there, you will find out. So, if there is no time and space, nothing is happening. But still, you are, experiencing pain. You are experiencing suffering. So, that has prompted me to give this video. I don't know how far it will help. But I also don't have free will and choice. So this is happening through me. Let it happen, no problem. So at that time I told you this stomach pain and bodily sensations and external sensations. It is one and the same. There is no difference. You are experiencing your body just like any other's body or any other thing. You are hearing your sound just like any other sound or parrot sound or lion sound or Donald Trump's sound. All sounds are same. It's only same. See, I am using your dreamland, dream science language. For me, all these things do not apply. So, it is only, something coming inside, wiring. Internal sensations also same thing. So-called internal sensation, there is no internal, external. Okay. Every time I will have to add this, masala all the time because you are a separate person. You are living in a body. So all the time I will have to remind that falsity all the time. Because all the time you are getting duality information. The moment you get up in the morning, the entire stimulus or some senses or information or whatever you get, it's all in duality. The language is the biggest problem. Language is in duality. Language divides. Mind divides. So, language and mind, creates division where there is none. That is the biggest tragedy. Anyway, since you are there, since you and me are not there, you cannot call even that a tragedy. I don't know, I am going in circles. So, story I am, I think, digressing from pain and suffering. So, pain is, this thing, something is happening. So, it is only a signal. There is no your pain or my pain or anything. Pain is there. So if the knife goes into your stomach, you will not say, no, I am not there, there is no space, there is no time, there is no, it's all size, there is no. No. Can you say? There is no false, there is only false eye is perceiving. It's only chemical, wiring and all those things. I don't have any pain. You cannot say. You will never think about that. The moment that happens, that knife piercing into your stomach, you disappears. You goes into your real position. The reality you merge. And without thinking anything, you will, go to the hospital or doctor as per your computer, whatever your computer, here, whatever is happening. Without you, it happens. One simple example I will tell you. Knife story, you may not be very much convinced. Suppose if you are, walking on a road, okay, you are crossing the road. Suddenly one car comes at 140, 150, 120, I don't know, 240 or depending upon the country, speed will be different. You didn't see that. The moment it reached very close to you, then only you are realizing there is a car. At that point of time, what you will do? You will jump. This way, that way, whatever you want. After that incident only, your mind will tell, I was crossing, there was a car, it was a Mercedes Benz, it was blue color, it was coming against me, I jumped. My dear friend, you were not there. It all happened without you. If you can realize this is your day-to-day experience, if you can really understand this, all your problems will be solved because there is no you. You see, your body is so much complicated. Again, science I am telling, your dream world and dream science. What is the dream world science telling you? There is a respiratory system, there is a circulatory system, there is an excretory system, there is this thing, this system, that system. And they say blood is flowing like this. If you take your vein, it will be from here to America. And now, are you circulating your blood? Are you digesting your food? Can you stop urinating when urination sensation comes? Can you stop your breath? You say you have got free will and choice and I am sitting in this body, whatever I can do. Nothing. Absolutely no way. Now let us come to suffering. What is suffering? Again, same story. Because first you will get into that present called I, and that four-walls time space, memory, imagination, and you will make objects, and you would have made some, life of this thing. And since you are inside the body, whatever you see outside is also real. You assume that just like I am in this body, there is another body and there is somebody there. Most of you would have, experienced death of your dear and near ones. I don't think anybody in this world, other than small kids, of course, for them they are not dear and dear. They are in the unity. They are in a place where there is no separation. When you took birth, there was no separation. The moment you separated, then you have created all jail and your friends and relatives and enemies and governments and world wars and drums and I don't know, all those things you created. Some of them you like, some of them you don't like. So the most you like is your mother, because she was the so-called lady. That again is a mental concept. There is no mother, there is no father. But you are attached because you are inside your body, and there is somebody inside your mother's body. Now, if you go into all this, mother is also a very fantastic character. Nowadays, eulogizing and praising mother is a very big, business now. Mother's Day, mother is great, mother is God. Mother is nothing but attachment. There is no mother, father. The mother thinks, the child which has come out of her body is part of her body. The same attachment she is having with her body she will have with her child also, because she doesn't differentiate. So that is non-separation in a small scale. You understand what I am talking about? Mother-child relationship is a classical case for you to understand non-separation. That gives us an insight. If that kind of non-separation, if you have with the entire world, then you are out of the game. The problem with you is you identify your body and you identify with your child, because that is part of your body. So that bodily identification is the issue. So again I am digressing. Okay. So pain I told, suffering. So suffering is because, some of the FMCG goods, I told you, in the present you have created so many FMCG goods. Some of the FMCG goods, like your mother, father, brother, sister, friends, they are all, they will have to be permanent. I also should be permanent. That is the agenda. That is time and space, moving in time and space. So one of them dies, one or the other day. You will have to die in your world. So what you are thinking? Oh, my husband died. My father died. My mummy died. That is something. That is, physical. Now, you must be working somewhere. You may be a professional, IT professional, management professional, doctor, engineer, I don't know. Suddenly, Corona has come. Your job is lost. You are suffering. That is mental suffering. Anyway, suffering is mental, pain is physical. So suffering can be because of many things. A third kind of suffering can come from relationships. You had a girlfriend. She found, somebody who is much more, beautiful, handsome and wealthy, healthy, and I don't know. These are all mental creations again. So your girlfriend has left you. Suffering. Then I will have to take alcohol. There is no other way. Or, some drugs or something. Or go for enlightenment. Go to some gurus in India. I don't know what you will do. Many people, commit suicide. So, just like pain also, here also it's the same problem. You are identifying with the body. The moment you identify with the body, the world becomes real. I told you last in one of my old videos, how do you see the world? How do you see a person? If you only see a person, it's only light. Light, chemical reaction. See, all this I am talking in your language. For me, there is no language. Understand? For you also, there is no language. Your mind has created that language. So, if you see only person, only see the person, it's only light. That again, you go to that video, you can understand. So the problem is you have invested yourself inside your body, a me. Then all other bodies will have a me. Because you can see and understand only with your scale. Na? Your scale is this. What is your scale? There is a body. I am inside this body. There is time and space. I am moving. I took birth someday. I am going to die someday. And there is time, space, there is Prathu, all those stories, you have created. So you are assuming whatever you are seeing is also real, and whatever bodies you are also seeing is also real. There is somebody inside there. This is the fundamental mistake you are doing. Actually, nobody is dying. So if nobody is dying, where is suffering? Because nobody has taken birth. Without time, nobody can take birth. Same thing with your job, same thing with your, girlfriend. Because there is a real world, there is a real job, there is a real girlfriend, there is a real money, there is a real universe. All these things you are telling. There is a world, there is a you, there is a father, there is a mother. That father has died, my mother has died, my girlfriend has gone away. It's all I, me, mine. Where is this I sitting? In one of my previous, this thing, that sensation perception thing, I told it's all a unitary movement. You cannot sit anywhere in that. You cannot sit in the sun, you cannot sit in the sun rays, you cannot sit on the flower, you cannot sit in the eyes and retinas, you cannot sit on chemical this thing, you cannot sit in the brain also. So ultimately, the conclusion is, if you are there, suffering and pain is inevitable. So the only way out to get out of this bullshit is to find out where is this I sitting. You have to do that. Otherwise, after some time, you will reach a situation where even a thinking faculty will go. That's also okay. Liberation, there is nothing wrong. You can continue in time and space also. There is nothing wrong in that. But if at all, you want, to know, it's only suggestion from my side. What you are doing now is also perfectly all right. Be in the space, be in the time, be in ambition, making money and, doing all those things. But Corona might have to teach you some lessons. So based on those lessons, it is advisable. Washington consensus will not help you. It's a failed model. Both communism and your Washington consensus, both are failed model. The only model is find out who you are. The moment you find out yourself, all these issues will be gone. There is no pain, there is no suffering, there is no Washington consensus, there is communism, there is no communism, there is no Zeeping, there is no Trump, there is nothing. Try. All the best.